The third one we touched on briefly was the near zero downtime. So that's, in order to use that, we need the tablet, right? So they piloted this in Flagstaff probably about 2 months ago. The reviews are pretty cool. You know, if any of you guys gone on EWM, you go in, you sit in a classroom, you learn all this stuff, hours and hours. The guys at Flagstaff, they put the tablet on the VMU and said, go work. Zero training, extremely intuitive. Outbound, it was awesome. So there's a huge success story there saying they simplified the front end for the forklift operators. So it's really cool.
That's great.
And you know how it works with the high availability is you're basically going to the cloud now for everything, right? So that solves our server outage stuff, but it doesn't solve, you know, I think we used to call it, nickname it Backhoe Bob, right? The guy that cuts down your network stuff. But they are looking at alternatives there, right? Do we go with cellular for a site? Do we go with satellite? So backups to your network. So.
Hey Mike, so they tested in Flagstaff. Would that be? I know they're testing it as a BCP, but with the new front end and being more user friendly, would that be the day to day? And it would serve as a backup as well?
Absolute. Thanks for the clarification. Right. This becomes your front end for your forklift guy.
All right.
So there is not a log off, log on. This is the new way they're working.
They're not even calling it BCP anymore because that's their life, right?
Okay.
The person won't even know if EWM is up or down, right? They're just gonna go.
That's
and pretend
fantastic.
they do the same thing. If it's up, it will be instantaneously syncing with EWM. If it's not, it will just be held and synced with.
How long can it store data before it needs to sync again?
It's constantly talking to the cloud.
Well, what if there's an internet outage? How long will it operate without it?
It would be the same like you have today till the data gets stale.
Okay.
Right. So you can put away.
Something new happens in the outage and it won't. Yeah. Okay.
Correct.
Good.
Yeah. So I mean, my best guess is, hey, if you're down, this will probably carry you
Yeah,
4 to
solid.
6 hours or so.
Oh yeah.
But if
Good.
if it's down longer than that, there's a bigger problem.
That's great.
And this is being developed in phases, right? So the first phase is, hey, get the forklift guys so they're highly available. As you'll see, I think, you know, Q4 this year, Q4 or Q1 next year, they're gonna start working the back office stuff, right? So it's great to be able to keep my forklift guys going, but if I don't have the dock office guys feeding them work, I can't do anything,
You're
right?
dead in the water. Yeah.
So, like I said, some really cool stuff going there. The next one that I'm really passionate about, I think Heather is super excited about this one, is the digital trailer inspection.
Oh, yeah.
Right? And when it comes to, you know, McBee, great, we went live with EWM. We sold it, hey, listen, you're not gonna have to come back to the dock office for anything, you don't need pick tickets, and we were missing a trailer inspection, right? So, for the last couple of years, these guys have had to come to the office just for a trailer inspection document. Now, it's dependent on the tablet, right? But once we get this in place, you won't have to come back to the dock office. Everything is on that tablet. The digital trailer inspection, it's like a web-based type thing, so it's gonna be an app, just so you click on it. It's customizable, you could pick what question, I don't mean you at a factory level, but Heather will dictate what questions are on that inspection, right? You guys can fill it out. Depending on how you answer it, it'll give you a pass or fail. And if you're in an EWM site, it'll be integrated into EWM. So if it fails, you can't load the truck. If it passes, you can go forward, right? And then it's going to store 7 years of the data, of course, so if you get audited and you have to prove that you're doing trailer inspections, boom, with just a quick query, it's there. So
So they're working on the reporting pieces of that now, so they're just about all finished. The main app is working, now they're working on the reporting.
right, so exciting part here, development piece.